Always one of our favorites when we get them in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1993 GMC Typhoon, basically a super truck from the early 90s. And this particular one, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile truck, 36,353 is all in the odometer at the moment. Of course, that turbocharged 4.3 liter underneath the hood, all-wheel drive, automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note the AC will need some attention to blow cold. Let's take a look at this front blacked out grille, bumper, headlight bezels. Good looking color combination with the gloss black paint finish, and then the ground effects or the lower cladding in the flat black with gold lettering. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area, and all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct Typhoon wheels. The tool for removing that center cap is in the glove box, but a little keyed nut that you got to take off. And as you can see, nice reflection, shiny paint. Yes, it's black. You're going to find a spot where you may have a touch up here or there, but overall, considering this is a 93, very good looking truck. Take a look down this passenger side, really free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Interior's the dark charcoal, or you hear it called ebony. Leather bucket seats, center console, AM, FM, CD player. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and yes, if you stick around to the end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road also. Take a look at the rear tailgate area. Once again, you can see the reflection in that paint. The rear glass will unlatch with that handle, but have the key in there and then turn it. And then you can drop the lower tailgate down. I did notice the struts for that rear glass. It'll hold it up, but they are getting weak. A few other notes from the technician on this one that looked at it, some of the service work that's been done. New alternator and battery. It does have new lower control arms, upper ball joints, and 4 shocks. Brakes are 85% in the front. The rears are new. Full exhaust on the vehicle too, with the catalytic converter and muffler. And he mentioned the cruise was in op. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Typhoons or maybe Cyclones or General Motors vehicles from the 90s in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. We appreciate all our subscribers that we have, well over 1,000. You can see up and down this driver's well over 1,000, well over 100,000 actually. Anyway, up and down this driver's side, you can see free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches on this side also. You can always share this video. If you know somebody that's into these, maybe like to check them out, or somebody that's in the market wants to purchase one. We appreciate it. Of course, your modern amenities, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. You can see the seating surfaces, what you'd expect on a lower mile vehicle. That leather is in great shape. You're going to be able to see the second row seating in the still pictures. Headliner, all good. We do have a overhead console. Tilt column. And let me see if I can, it's kind of tough with how dark it is in here, if I can get you a good shot at that mileage or not. With the glare, like I said, it is kind of tough. But it's a 6-digit odometer, and there you go, 36,353. Take a look at the top of the dash, nice shape. I have had the radio working. Tom Petty Typhoon badging. Top of the dash looks good. I did notice when you open and close the door, must have been a previous kind of security system on it. Those lights will blink intermittently when the doors open and closed, and then they will go off. But let's take a listen. So nothing crazy over the top, as you can hear by the exhaust. These are kind of a sleeper. If somebody doesn't know what one of these is, but they will get up and haul the mail. There is no doubt about that. You know, that all-wheel drive, it'll hook up and go too. Let me see if I can reach the hood latch. That popped open. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the prop rod up in this so we can get a good look at this engine bay. Let me pause it a second. We'll check this bad boy out. Alright, prop rod up. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. That hood liner, pretty clean. Engine bay, nice and tidy. Looks like it's a door alternator, as I mentioned, and battery. Both new. Power steering, power brakes. AC will need a little attention. There it is, a 4.3 liter Cyclone turbo engine. Of course, the Cyclone and the Typhoons having the same power plant. One was the pickup, and obviously one being the SUV variety. All right. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a special truck. A 1993 GMC Typhoon. Think S10 Blazer, but with some turbo power. Way more fun. This is an automatic right here on the center console, which is all you need because you just put your foot down and the turbo does all the work for you. Turn signal's working. It literally makes my mouth drop open as the turbo kicks in and you just feel it gain and gain and gain. And a little bit of G-force in the seat. Beautiful leather bucket seats with multi-power adjustability in the driver's seat. And the lumbar as well. Now the heater's working, the blower motor is working. Keeping me warm today on a winter's day in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. The oil pressure is showing almost 3/4 of the way. That looks like about 55 to 60 psi. Fuel gauge showing a little less than half. The temperature gauge are right at half on the gauge. And the battery is charging over 14 volts, looking good. Tachometer over here, turbo gauge over here. And they're both working. I love to watch them twitch. Nice smooth braking. Of course, smooth acceleration as well. It's one neat thing I'd say about these is you put the throttle down and it just eases up into the power. It'd be perfect on a drag strip. And there it is. You can feel that torque kicking it in. Now it's not overly loud because this appears to be a factory sounding exhaust. A bit of a sleeper if you don't read the word Typhoon on the side of it and wonder why does that thing say Typhoon? Because turbo? Very nice. We've got overhead storage, we've got overhead lights. It's decked out. The dual visors, so you can put one on the side and still have one to flip down with the extender. Just load it up the way they did in 1993. On top of that, all that power. Looking good in black, inside and out. Stereo works good.
Owner operator.
Check out all the pictures of this Typhoon from 1993 at uniqueclassiccars.com.